Good morning, divergence traders. I just woke up myself here, so right here at this point, I watched it for the first half an hour, and I seen it come up here, right here. I was watching it, and I said, no, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to try buying it here because, let me show you why. We go to the 15-minute and look at our white dash line. I knew this was happening, so that's why I didn't trade. I knew that it would be trading against a whole bunch of time frames. And I knew that the next one, which is the 15-minute, I was looking at the 5. I knew not to buy it here. I knew. I knew what they were going to do. I knew it was just a little retracement, and then they were going to smack it all the way down here to new lows. And that's what they did while I was snoozing. They took it back down. But there was a trade exactly when I went and took a nap, and that was basically one of these. So, buy fake, hook down. See how it comes up, does a little hook, and comes back down? That's why I call it the hook down. So right on this candle, you would have got short, or I would have got short. And then there's that, just in the first candle, you would have got 35 points right there, okay? From the opening to here. It would have been good. And then we had a higher close, sell it. Don't mind me, I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep good last night. And that's why I was sleeping just now, and I just freaking woke up. So I'm doing this very slowly. So bear with me. I'll try and make it quick today. I know I did a long video yesterday, but I laid it all out for you, all the good steps in order to do these trades. See, it wouldn't even be hidden divergence if I drew a line from here to here, and then from here to here, it would be level divergence. Okay? So the only trade you could have done was the hook down or the higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Okay, and I definitely would not sell it on this one, a higher close and sell it. I wouldn't do it. Not after it came down all this way. It's so funny how one day they take it up and then the next day they take it down. It's just, you just know, man, something ain't right here. What's not right? Look at this. Is it going to drift all the way down to the low again where it started yesterday? Who fucking knows? Who knows, man? It's just crazy shit. You know what I mean? So anyway, there's the two trades. A sell right there, hook down, and a higher close. Sell it down it goes. That's the second trade, okay? And no, we're not going to look at the even 1 minute because it's just too much. See, this whole move since the New York Open, okay, that's 235 points from the top to the bottom. 235 points from there to there. Okay, let's look at the S&P now. It's pretty much the same, I'm sure. And it is, as you can see, it's identical movement. Identical, okay? But this one looks promising, see? Like this. And like this, see? See the nice divergence here? One going up, one going down. Yeah. Nice trade right here. Sell it right here. And down it goes. 25 points on the S&P. It went down. Okay. Also want to show you we had a higher close. Sell it. And down it goes. Okay. And yeah. And there's the divergence right here. From right here to right here. Okay, let's move on now to the Dow Jones. Let's see what it gave us. The same identical move, see? The down, up, down, up, down. Same thing. Same la-di-da. And this one really stands out at you. Oh my goodness, see this? It's just screaming at you to sell it. And you would have sold it right in here. Right there. And down it goes. Okay, that's the first trade. And the second trade is right here. Just like that. Yeah, that one to that one. See that? Same kind of divergence again. Boom, boom. Out go the lights. So you would have got in right there. And right here you would have got in. It would have come up 50 pips on you, but your stop was right there. It didn't come and hit your stop, and it came down. Went down 174 points from that entry of right there at the opening of this bullish candle. Even though it came right back up again, it did not hit your stop. Your stop is always at the swing high, right? Just like over here, the stop's right there. And then it came down, but it never came back to the stop, and it went down. Never came back to the stop, and it went down. See what I'm saying? And then along the way, if you missed that one, we had right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. There you go. Beautiful trade setups today. Pound dollar, what did it give us? Yeah, there was divergence here too on the pound dollar. Doesn't look like there is, but there was. See it? Right there. Would have got short. It's also kind of like a hook down. There's an extra candle, but still, buy fake people, and then they smacked it down. That's a hook down, baby. Hook down. And it worked out just fine. There you have it. And there was divergence even before that, right from here to up here somewhere. And right there to right there. To those little blue doodads right there. Yeah. Yeah, right there, see? All lines up. There was a sell in there. Right there. So if you would have sold it here, your stop would be up here. Only 9 points. So let's see if you sold it here. It went up 6 points. Yeah. See, it didn't come back to your stop. Your stop was right here. It came close to it, but it didn't come back to it. Oh, it came close. See how close it came to it? Like 2.5 points. or pips. Came close. Okay, let's move on now to the euro dollar. It's the exact same kind of setups that I just showed you. They're identical. The algo is doing what it does. Yeah, the algo's doing what it does. It would have sold right in there. Right in there. You would have been selling right there at the low of the day. Would have you done it? I don't know. I wouldn't have. You need some room. You always need some room from your entry point to your target. And if you've already hit the target, then you don't do the freaking trade. See right here? When it's telling you to sell on the open here, the open here, look, it's right here at the low of the day. You would not do this trade because it already hit the target. Okay? And there was this trade also. This one's a little bit of a long divergence, and why? Because I only like to, when I draw the divergence, okay, I always only want to use like positive, positive, negative, or negative, negative, positive, okay, if you know what I mean. I only like to use 3, or actually 2, rallies and valleys, okay? Rally to the top and then a valley. So this is like 4 of them. See, there's 1, there's a positive, negative, positive, negative. So usually I don't like to draw it that far, if you know what I mean. I think you know what I mean. Oh, do I have some water? Oh, just enough to wet my whistle. Here we go. Okay, let's get the pound yen now. Oh, wow, 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 wow. The pound dollar went way down. This is the 15-minute. Wow, from top to bottom on the pound yen, it moved 240 points. Well, you bullish traders who trade the pound yen, well, I hope you didn't try and buy it today, because if you did, you got hammered. And hammered and hammered and hammered. So this is the 15-minute. All that I can see here is a whole bunch of higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. They just don't stop. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then we have a hook down right here at the bottom. See, this one closed above the both moving averages. Then the next one opened up and closed below the moving averages. And so did the price, and everything was good to sell it right there. So if you sold it right there, it went down 40 points basically from this entry. And this one was good, this one was good, this one was good. All these sells all the way down. Now what's making me sell it all the way down like that? Do you know what it is? It's very simple. It's this 5 EMA that's below the 7 EMA. When it's below, you only look for sell trades. When it's above, you only look for buy trades. See what I mean? Yeah, you see what I mean. Okay, let's move on to the Euro Yen. It's going to look the same. 15-minute Euro Yen. Yeah, see, it's the same. A whole bunch of sell trades. All the way down because the 5 has been below the 7 since way the fuck up here from the top of the day. All the way down. See? Comes close at times at crossing. See? Right here, right here, right here. But it didn't fucking cross. That's why you could use this just as a moving average cross. As silly as that sounds and as stupid as that sounds, it can work for you. You know what I'm saying? Look at all the way down. And there's nothing special in these moving averages. It's just, I found a little niche and I've been looking at it and trading it for over a decade, my friends, over a decade. So that's how I know it works. Okay, let's move on here to oil. Oh, there's a whole bunch of trades here. You see them right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? Okay. Now, here's bullish. Look. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. This is gold. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. See? See that? The 5 is above the 7. So you can only look for buy trades. That's how, did you know that, like, how much would I say in a percentage? Did you know that to be successful in trading, you gotta have something that tells you at least 50-60% of the time it tells you you can only buy now or you can only sell now. That's the hardest part of trading, ladies and gentlemen, is knowing whether you should be buying or you should be selling. Okay? And I just showed you on all the other charts, it was all down. It was all sell, 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 sell. For the NASDAQ, for the S&P, for the Dow, for the pound, for the euro, for the pound yen, for the euro yen, they're all saying sell, sell, sell today. Only look for sell trades. And how do they know that? They know that because the 5 is below the 7. And then on oil, look, the 5 is above the 7. So we can only look for buy trades. You see how important that is? That is so critical. This is what saved me so many times from making mistakes. See, right now it's below. We have a change of trend right now. Ooh, it's windy outside. But if you go and you look at the 15-minute, where did it cross? Right there. Come on, flip. See, it's just coming down below. The 5 is just below the 7. So would you want to take this trade just yet? No, you wouldn't. Because it can still bounce back and creep right up to the top again and then push higher. Okay? Okay. So I wouldn't sell here, up here, because you don't know what's going to happen. But you see how that guided you and told you all the way up today, you can only look for buy trades, not sell trades. Okay? So let's look at, well, that was oil. Let's look at gold. What did gold? Oh, look at gold. Oh, you bastards. Actually, gold was good today. Gold was a good boy. Right here. Double bottom. So tired. Double bottom. This is yesterday's. Yeah, it won't let me put it there. See right here? Double bottom. This is pointing up on the OSMA. That means the market is going to go up. Doesn't always mean that, but that's what it's telling you with this here. Okay? So you would have got long. This is gold, ladies and gentlemen, gold. Are you listening, Fook? This is gold, and it's good today. So as soon as the 5 crossed up after the double bottom, the 5 crossed up over on top of the 7. So what does it mean when the 5's on top of the 7? It means you can only look for buy trades. And you were looking for buy trades because you had a double bottom. See? And up it went, all the way up. And your stop was at the swing low right here, 52 points, and it did come back. Yeah, my telephone's ringing. It came down on you, 32 points. It was scary. But then look, to the top it went up 360 points. Now look it up here. See how sharp, how parabolic upward this is drawn on the chart? Look at that. Look at that. Check it out. That's divergence, baby. Right there. See it? Right there, just like that. So where would you get in? Well, I know it came down freaking fast, really fast on the 5-minute. So somewhere you'd need to jump in here. I don't know where. Somewhere in here. If you waited till down here, it was too far to wait. Even though if you did wait till then and you got in right there, your stop would be 220. Look, there's 162. It would have worked out also because it just kept on crashing down so fast. See that? Isn't that a beautiful thing? Divergence, hookups, and hook downs, and higher close. Sell it down, it goes. Lower close, buy it up, it goes. You catch me? Very good divergence and my setups today, all over the charts. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out to the show today and listening and watching and hoping and praying. And if you follow my criteria and my divergence setups, you'll succeed. You will be successful. But I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving you any financial advice. But anyway, if you're going to trade this afternoon, please be careful. Don't overtrade. Trade wisely. Don't jump at anything you see. Wait and think about it before you get in the trade. Okay? So thanks again, and good luck and good trading.